Hey guys, Precious here for AskFi.ng, and today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Tecno Camon 12, which was launched on the 5th of September 2019. From the looks to the specs to the battery and of course the camera, there's so much to check out. But first of all, unboxing. Now that we've seen what's in the box, let's power up the device. As regards the look and feel of the Camon 12, the device is slick to touch and feels like a perfect fit in your fingers. It is pretty light and it comes in a nebula gradient inspired look. This particular device with me is in the dark jade color, and I think I'm just in love with the look of the phone. Plus, I'll give extra points for the strong bezels. The device runs on Android 9 Pie operating system and Octa-core processor. It has a display of 6.52-inch HD dot not screen, while it sports a 720 by 1600 screen resolution. The Camon 12 doesn't have the new in-screen fingerprint sensor that a lot of the new devices come with. I see that Tecno still retained the fingerprint sensor at the back, together with facial unlock, pin and pattern for optimum device security. It would have been nice to have the in-screen fingerprint, but that feature was given to the Pro. Now, where storage is concerned, the device comes with a 4GB RAM and a 64GB internal storage. I personally would have preferred larger storage space, but it is further expandable with the SD card, so it's not such a big deal. The battery capacity of this device is really impressive, with a 4000 mAh battery. Now that's a power packed phone. But judging from my last charge, the device doesn't charge as fast as I expected. It took about an hour plus for the phone to reach 100% from 37%. Could have been better, but it's okay. Now to the interesting parts. The Camon 12 sports a 16MP front camera with dual flash that has interesting features like the wide selfie, portrait, and my latest fave, the AR shot that allows you play goofy with all the additional filters. Real fun. I played with the double flash at night time and I loved the results I got. For the back camera, the phone has a triple rear camera of 16 megapixel, 2 megapixel and 8 megapixel that supports features like the ultra clear shot, super wide angle, macro photos and bokeh effects. Took a couple of pictures and I won't even lie, I love this phone's camera. I almost couldn't stop with the pictures. This device also comes with the Helio P22 chip by Mediatek, and it enhances the phone's features, from the phone's visual display to the gaming experience and even down to speed. I ran a quick chip test with other devices and what can I say? Go Camon 12! On a scale of 10 devices, I'll eat 9 devices and keep the Camon 12. Let me know how many devices you eat to keep the Camon 12 in the comment section right after you subscribe to our YouTube and other media platforms for the latest technological trends. Still me, Precious for AskFi.ng.